Hello everyone, I am Nani and this is my channel. Welcome back to a new video. Today we have changed the location, my workshop number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, number 2, and we return on an old card that is the Red Cat Gen 8. I've made a lot of videos about this car and now we have something new to do because this is the time in which I am making the Mercedes Unimog and I have several troubles with servos, steering servo. So I have bought this servo here and I realized it is quite a little bit exaggerated for a car with a servo saver with this wonderful. So I want to change the servo. Take out the servo from the Red Cat, mount this, perhaps with this servo horn. There's a problem of alignment here and there. I don't know if you can see, I have had to work on that, so perhaps I have to undo this slide. Then I want to mount the body with magnets and not Velcro. Of course, Velcro is very good, but it comes out. I've tried the first time to mount with magnets, but I was ignorant and I didn't knew something that now I want to explain you. So we start with the magnets, then we take off the servo. This servo, even if a little bit exaggerated, maybe I will mount on the Unimog, or better, I can look herein. It's so dark, and I have servos receiver. This one broken, or no more servos, only receivers. Okay, we make a gift to the Unimog, we mount this servo. That's certainly better than the other. Comments, like and subscribe, and let's start the work. Start with the body mount. Take off the body. Body apart, then remove the Velcro. The big work is to take out the old glue from the inner fenders. Then with this we scrape here to increase the grip for the glue. And the same work I have to do on the body. First step is made. Magnets are glued on fenders. Doesn't matter the side, plus or minus. We will find it later. Now I have to wait for the glue to dry, then scrape the glue out from this part, the surface, and when they're clean I will put over the other magnet, and over the other magnet a little bit of glue, then the body. After I finish the glue as better as I can. And here it is. The glue is not completely dried. I have cleaned all the magnets very well, no glue on the magnets. Now we have to put the body magnets over these chassis magnets, and we do this so we are sure of the right position, the right polarity. So I leave it, I just leave the magnet on and he goes automatically in the right position. One over the other. So first one, then the other. Now the magnets are in the right position. Next step, we have to put a little bit of glue over the magnet, then put the body over. After this, we have to wait for this glue to dry. Then we take the body, we hopefully take the body out. Then we finish to glue all the magnets well around. This is perfectly dry, and so we have to make the glue. By now, not too much. Okay. Now we put a little quantity over the magnet, just a drop. Okay. Oops. And now this is difficult because we have to put here this over perfectly, the antenna perfectly, then like a French cook we have to turn upside down by this way, so the glue stays on the top of the fender. But this makes this work. I need something to put here under. I have this piston. This is wonderful. This is from an Alfa Romeo 2600 of the 60s. It was my cousin. He used to make car races, and one day he comes here. He was much older than me and gave me this. Very useful. Now we have to wait and hope. We leave it here for a couple of hours, then we see. I taken off the body from the frame. Not all the magnets were perfectly glued, but it remains the sign, so I have positioned. And now I have glued, you see, with a lot of glue. Then I remove glue from that part in order to have perfect surface of contact. And then we hope. It seems a good work. Another couple of hours, then I can clean up the excess of glue, then put all together. It happens that when a chef, a master explains something, I don't know if it is on purpose or it's just a mistake, but they don't say all what you need to understand, to hear. For example, you have to remove this from this. It's very important, first of all, cutting all around. Otherwise, you can remove the glue that you need to keep this magnet in place. I don't know if they have never told something like this, but if you proceed in this way, you will be more sure that your magnet will be glued near at the perfection. And now the moment of truth. we see if I made everything right. The glue is not perfectly dried, but I can't wait for looking if everything is okay. I can lift the car from the body. Done. This work is finished. Wires are here. Okay. The servo is on. It's a nice blue servo. You see, there. Perfect. And it works. Not very fast. Okay, I would like to say that it is a pleasure to work on Red Cat. Good materials, good accessibility. It's very, very good, very nice. Comments, like and subscribe. Let's go outside to have a little trial. The body remains on the car and the steering is fantastic. Look at what can I do with my Gen 8. Who says that it is not a very good rock roller? Okay, for today this is all. Thank you very much. Comments, like and subscribe. Spread the voice, and up to the next with my wonderful videos. Bye bye, ciao.